Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert charts in LibreOffice Draw. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to the left upper corner and you need to click on Insert tab. Now you need to select here Chart, and then column chart should be successfully inserted here. If you would like to modify this chart, I recommend you to click right mouse button on this chart, and then we should open here Data Table. Now you will be able to modify Data Table. So for example, I will change categories. I insert here January. On row 2, I will type maybe February. On row 3, March. And on row 4, I will type April. I will modify values. I insert here 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here maybe 6, 7, 8, 9. And here maybe 1, 4, 3, and 1. Now we need to click close, and how you see data has been successfully applied. But if we want to update rows, we need to click right mouse button on rows, and we need to select this one option, delete axis. Now we need to go to edit and select undo delete axis. Then it will be successfully updated. So in this way you can create a simple column charts in LibreOffice Draw. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.